मीडिया इन इंडिया एक्ट वेयर पास इन 1835, 67, 78 और 1908। Who among the following repealed the Vernacular Press Act? रिपन। लिटन पास किया था, रिपन रिपील किया था इसको। गेजिंग एक्ट। वर्नाकुलर प्रेस एक्ट करेक्ट क्या है? इट वॉज इनेक्टेड बाई लॉर्ड लिटन। It was enacted by Lord Lytton. It came to be known as Gazing Act. The act repealed by the Lord Ripon. सब सही है। Vernacular Press Act imposed severe restriction on freedom of Indian language newspaper. In which year was it passed? 1878 लिटन से। Which of the following paper was essential the mouthpiece of the police of liberal leader? Which of the following was not nationalist newspaper? The Times of India. Times of India supported British government and was not nationalist. The Bengali, the Hindu, the Maratha nationalist. Who founded the Asiatic Society of Bengal? Sir William Jones. Who started the Asiatic Society of Bengal in 1784? William Jones. Who first brought the printing press to India in mid-16th century? Portuguese missionary. The nationalist daily newspaper The Indian Nation was started its publication in 1931. Published from Patna, the capital of Bihar. Newspaper Publication Private Limited 1931 में। Who in America started to issue the newspaper The Free Hindustan? Taraknath Das. Which newspaper wrote the following about the possible future role of INC is nucleus of future parliament of our country and will lead the good inconceivable magnitude for our countrymen? Indian Mirror 1886 में। From the option given below find the correct name of editor and nationalist newspaper. The Hindu, केसरी बंगाली। द हिंदू जी सुब्रमण्यम अय्यर, केसरी बाल गंगाधर तिलक, द बंगाली सुरेंद्रनाथ बनर्जी, हिंदुस्तानी गंगा प्रसाद वर्मा, सुधारक गोपाल कृष्ण गोखले। फ्री हिंदुस्तान तारकनाथ दास, इंडियन ओपिनियन महात्मा गांधी, वॉइस ऑफ इंडिया दादा भाई नौरोजी, द बंगाली सुरेंद्र नाथ बनर्जी। सोशल रिलीजियस मूवमेंट। Which category of population was primarily attracted by the religious reform movement of the 19th century? Intellectual, urban, upper caste, liberal. Who were the Faraji? Haji Saritullah. Who became the Faraji movement? Haji Saritullah जो भी है। Taiyuni movement began in opposition to the Faraji movement at Dhaka in 1893 was started by Karamat Ali of Jaunpur. Who was the father of Indian Nation movement? Raja Ram Mohan. Prophet of New India, Raja Ram Mohan Rai. Who among the following was the founder of Atmiya Sabha? Raja Ram Mohan Rai. Brahmo Samaj was founded in the year of 1828. Raja Ram Mohan Roy founded the Brahmo Samaj 1828. Who declared sati illegal? William Bentinck. Who was the founder of Prathana Samaj? Atmarang Pandurang. During the Indian independence movement, who founded the Prathana Samaj? Atmarang Pandurang. The best representative of Neo-Hinduism in the second half of the 19th century? Swami Vivekananda. Who among the following participated in the Parliament of Religion held at Chicago in 1893? स्वामी विवेकानंद। स्वामी विवेकानंद रामकृष्ण मिशन इन ईयर 1897 spiritual side of nationalism was voiced by Swami Vivekanand. Dayanand Saraswati founded Arya Samaj. Arya Samaj was founded by Swami Dayanand 1875. Who established Arya Samaj? Dayanand Saraswati. सत्यशोधक समाज 1873 ज्योतिबा फुले। सत्यशोधक समाज ज्योतिबा फुले। The women movement in India started largely under inspiration of Jyotiba Phule. Who founded Theosophical Society? Madam H.P. Blavatsky. Theosophical Society. Madam H.P. Blavatsky. And identified correct combination of the following given. प्रार्थना समाज, आत्मारंग, पांडुरंग। यंग इंडिया, गांधी जी। लोकहितवादी, गोपाल हरि देशमुख। सत्यशोधक, ज्योतिबा फुले। रहनुमाई मजदयासनम सभा, नरोजी फुर्दुंजी। नाई धोबी बंड was form of social boycott in 1919 which was started by the farmer of Pratapgarh district. Who demanded the right to enter temple that caused a terrible riot in Tirunelveli in 1899? Nadar. Who was Sarada Mani, wife of Ramakrishna Paramhans? सत्यार्थ प्रकाश, स्वामी दयानंद सरस्वती। पूना सार्वजनिक सभा 1870 महादेव गोविंद रानडे। हु फाउंडेड सर्वेंट ऑफ इंडियन सोसाइटी इन 1905? गोपाल कृष्ण गोखले। सर्वेंट ऑफ इंडियन सोसाइटी गोपाल कृष्ण गोखले। सर्वेंट ऑफ इंडियन सोसाइटी गोपाल कृष्ण गोखले। तत्वबोधि सभा देवेंद्रनाथ टैगोर। आत्मीय सभा राजा राम मोहन रॉय। ब्रह्म समाज राजा राम मोहन रॉय। रामकृष्ण मिशन स्वामी विवेकानंद। सर्वेंट ऑफ इंडियन सोसाइटी गोपाल कृष्ण गोखले। विडो डी मैरिज विष्णु शास्त्री पंडित।